Hi everybody, it's Heather from UMPI Center for Teaching and Learning, and I want to take just a minute to show you how you can really quickly and easily update your Zoom app to the most current app so you can get all the awesome features and stuff that you see all your colleagues having. So when we first get set up with Zoom, I don't know if you remember, but you had to download the Zoom app onto your desktop, and that is actually where we're going to go for our update. So on my bottom little toolbar at the bottom of my screen here, and I'm on a PC, so it might look a little bit different on a Mac, I'm going to go to the little up arrow on the right-hand side, and that shows me my little toolbox of stuff that I have installed on my desktop. And I can see that Zoom is right there. When I hover over it, it actually gives me a little tag that says Zoom, and I'm going to click on it. So that's going to open up my actual Zoom app where I can see my upcoming meetings and schedule pieces, and I can also choose to see my recorded stuff. I'm going to go straight to the top right-hand corner where my little picture of myself is, because that's my profile settings. And from here, I can control my availability, I can update my profile, but I want to check for updates. So it says here that I'm up to date and that I have the latest version. If I was not up to date, it would let me know right here that I need an update. And instead of saying close, it would prompt me to update. And I'd just click that button and it would automatically update for me. Now there's no limit in how many times you can check this to update. You can check it once a week or once a month or as often as you need to, or when you see people that have awesome new tools like the new Zoom immersion view, and that prompts you to think, hey, wait, maybe I need to have an update. So have fun with Zoom. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out and give Seattle a call. See you soon.